Hi Scorpios, welcome back. This is your special reading for the next 24 hours. So, we will be picking three cards for your circumstances. What was your situation? What is the present? And what is the future? So, we will open these cards as we proceed. And Scorpios, I request you to watch this reading till the end. That way you will get more clarity in your situation, so whatever you are expecting today. So we have fork in the road. Maybe today, or it would have been your circumstance uh, that you have come across, or you have already faced the situation. You are making a very important choice, or you were making a very important choice. So there is nothing wrong between making that choice. You can go towards the left or the right, but you need to make that choice based on your intentions, maybe whatever you wish for or you truly want. So if you want, maybe in your career, if you want to pursue some kind of a path, it may be in art, something which you are really passionate about, you must go for it and do not make any other choice, because you will be maybe there are a few advantages in the other path, maybe you will earn more, but it is not something which you love to do. So you must do that which you really love, and maybe where your heart leans to. So you have made a very important decision in your life, and every choice has a consequence. So if you have made the right choice, whatever the consequence may be, you will accept it wholeheartedly. That is what is important. So today you must think whether you are making this choice, or whether you have made this choice wholeheartedly. And maybe in your relationship, you have reached a place, or you have seen that you need to make a very important decision for yourself, whether you want this love, move towards commitment, deeper that connection, or walk away. So, this is the time for you to take responsibility for what you truly feel, for your truest desires of your heart, and follow it. Because when we are truthful to ourselves, it will never take us to the wrong path. So there is it does not matter whether we intend to be with this person or not, but it must be our truthful choice, and we must make that authentic choice in our life. That is going to help us, Scorpios. And if you make that authentic choice, it will place you on the right path, that true experience of the heart. So you need to make that truthful choice. Maybe if you have made a decision, you must think whether you have made that right choice today. So we will see what is the second card. Mending. And maybe in your relationship or in your career, you feel that you need some kind of closure or completion, and there are things you need to take care of. Maybe this is what your person feels towards you, or what you feel towards them. Maybe they are truly sorry for making this choice. They are truly sorry for moving away from you. They are regretting their decision, and whatever misunderstanding and troubles you both had between you both. It may be your energy or their energy. They want you to forgive them, or um, they are what to say, coming to say sorry to you, beg your uh, forgiveness. So you may be thinking of this, or your person is thinking of you. Maybe they are very much hurt for whatever they did to you and they are truly sorry. They want to apologize. So maybe there were some arguments or fights in your relationship. But if you want to move forward in a positive way in your life, in your future, you must try to mend this situation. So, healing involves freeing yourself of all the hurt and whatever wounds you have. And the way to do that is release all that toxic emotions you have by making amends, saying sorry, or maybe if you cannot see this person, maybe you must um talk to yourself, get over that toxic feelings. And if you are able to forgive that person, well and good, even though they may not ask you sorry or they may not come to apologize. If you are willing to forgive them, you are not doing them good, you are doing yourself good, Scorpios. You should never forget that. You are freeing yourself, unburdening your heart of all that pain and hurt, sadness. So that is what this card is about. So today you must try this. It is going to help you and it is going to relieve you of all that burden and heaviness you have been carrying in your heart. If they come and say sorry, well and fine. Or if you are ready to go apologize and make things up, fine. Move forward in life, fine. But if that does not happen, you must be ready to forgive them no matter what their stance is, Scorpios. So we will see what is the next card. This may be the card for your future, guys. All that glitters. So you must be careful, Scorpios. Maybe you are seeing someone or you are finding someone interesting today, and this person may look like someone good, someone honest, loving, caring, understanding, but there are few things they are hiding. And we often do not tell the truth, or we do not show our true self, because we may feel that um, that other person may not like us if they see our true self. So we add dramatic elements to ourselves, make up a story to make ourselves more shining and sparkling. So they will be taken by that glitz and glamour, and we will be more desirable. Same way, this person you love may be adapting these. So this person, uh, you should not fall for their appearance or what stories they are telling you or what stories are around them, but for that true nature of their heart. So maybe today you must see them with your eyes of your heart. Then you will know what is their true authentic shine, and you will know whether this is the person for you. And the same way in your career circumstances, you must be careful. You should not compare yourself with others. Maybe whatever is good for them, it may not be good for you. So you must stay true to your heart, whatever you are good at. You must go for it. You must try your best in that field or in that path. That is going to take you towards success and prosperity. So there may be a lot of opportunities, there may be a lot of career path that may look like very lucrative, shining, full of positive things, but it may not be good for you. So you must think before proceeding, Scorpios. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, Scorpios.